Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading, that is from 19th till 25th of October. Okay, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, let's see what is there for my Cancerians in the coming week. Guides, spirits and angels, please guide me for my Cancerians in the week from 19th till 25th of October. For my Cancerians, please. Okay, one more shuffle. At the back of the deck we have Five of Pentacles and the World. No contact and a completion. Okay, so it's like I'm really getting that it's like you are feeling that you are in that state where you are not getting phone call. You are waiting for somebody who you're waiting for someone to call you, but I'm getting that it's a completion from their end. It's more about that thing. The feeling is over. Okay, and they are really, it's like a balanced feeling. It's like a feeling where somebody actually is like over and done, over and out. So that is what I'm getting over here, Cancer, with you. Your person is feeling that they really need to invest more time on their work. They need to invest more time on their other affairs, basically, which are like, it can be money, it can be in their family, it can be something else. So your person over here is really it's like nothing. It's that process, completion of that process. It's like the lessons learned from a relationship. So that is what they might not be able to contact you, but it's more about that they, at least they are true to you and to themselves. So this is that feeling over here I'm getting from your person, that no matter how much they want to talk to you, no matter how much they feel it, like how bad they have done, no matter about that, because they are those kind of a person, that kind of people who are really they really love the truth. Okay, no matter how much harsh it is, the truth is better than a false false lie, no, false truth, no. So this is more about that thing. Okay, so this is why they are actually doing this. Okay, so your part, your story, you are like waiting for them. You are ready to fight for them, to fight for anything to get them back. So this is where you are waiting. You are really, you have invested so much time in this work, in this love affair or whatever. Okay, this relationship was really important to you, and you are still waiting for them. You were the one who was more, I'm getting that you was more serious within this relationship. And being Taurus, it's like King of Pentacles is a Taurus over here. Might be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm really getting your energies as a Taurus. So it is more about when you are in a relationship and you're not ready to move out from that relationship. It is that stubborn energy. You are the one who was always involved more in a relationship, but now it's like that you are not able to do anything. Okay, it's like you are feeling so much left out. You are like, you really want that person hard, because you have given your time, energies, everything to this person, and now you are not ready to move back from this situation. You are still waiting, but they are clear. The truth is out and they are clear, and they do not want any other things right now. They are more into their own lives. They are balanced. Okay, that is what I'm getting. They are balanced, and they are like, whatever I wanted, that is sure. I wanted this thing only, I'm sure about it. They are sure in this thing. That is what it is. Your future energy is 10 of Wands with the High Priestess. I'm getting that they are really they are more inclined towards their inner growth. They are more inclined towards the truth. That is what I'm getting in their part. They it might have hurt you, the truth might have hurt you, but they are saying the truth. They are saying whatever they felt. That is why they said it. Okay, and that is why you are feeling sad, you are feeling like crying, you are feeling like you are left alone. It's like a burden on over you, and you are feeling that pressure, you are feeling that burden, you are feeling that everything is over you, and you have no place to go, where to go. You have told many of your friends, you have told your family members, might be married with this person as well. So it's a pressure on you now, like what to do, like what should I, the world is a main pressure for you now. What will I tell the world, what will I say to the people with whom I'm involved? I have told everyone, so now what? So that is what I'm really getting in your reading, Cancer. Knight of Pentacles with the Page of Rose as your advice for you from the tarot. It's like, sometimes patience is really helpful. Sometimes you just have to look and you have to analyze the situation. Your happiness, Cancer, your will of moving on in life is really, you are that kind of people who really bounce back from the negative energies. You always bounce back from all those harsh moments which have happened in your life. Okay, you might have had something which was really harshful, which was really harsh and in your life, and which was like, you cannot move ahead from the situation, but you always have, and you will always be, you will leave that situation, bad situation, to move on in your life. And that is what it is needed right now, Cancer, for you. It is like, to move on, to be happy, to always just get what you want. Okay, so just move slowly, steadily, and you will achieve the things you actually want in your life. Be that passionate. Okay, do not lose your enthusiasm, do not lose your living, that will of living. Okay, that will to live a good life, a good happier life. You have that will, you have that thing in you. Do not lose that positivity from you. Okay, what else do we have? Yes, if you really need some time, you just go on a trek. You can go on some, you can just go and sit in your garden. You can just think deep. You can go into that solitude mode for some time if you want, because that is the best thing one can do. You can do meditation, you can go on a vacation, on hills, and to if you love water, you can go in a beach, or you can go in a river and have that, that moment of solitude, that moment of solace. Okay, you can have that thing, because it's like, being busy in this world. It's like always day and night, always thinking about your work, your job, your family, friends, relationships. You really need time for yourself now, Cancer. It's better to be alone than to be with someone who does not appreciate your concern the way you love them, who does not concern anything. Okay, it's really, you really need to be alone for some time. And I'm really seeing celebrations coming towards your way in this coming month. There are celebrations, might be going in a marriage, or might be just celebrating a friend's birthday or something, some kind of celebration, going out, having a lunch with your bestie, or a dinner with your friends, something like that. Okay, so just be happy. Always try to find those people who make you feel positive. Do not go towards those people who will make you feel negative and who will always talk about the negativity. No, you don't need that right now. You need positivity, because you have that positivity in you. So that sharing positivity also always helps. Okay, see, I just told you about might be meeting friends, and see how the friends card just came over here. So this is like a celebration, a get together with your friends, clearing the stuff, and getting a clarity. Friends, they actually give you clarity, they make you happy, they make you feel so blessed. It's like that feeling. Okay, yeah, see, inner strength is important right now. This is what you actually need right now, inner strength. You need that time alone to become happy, to be the way you want to be. Okay, So what do we have? We have Taurus, Libra, Sag, Leo, Aries, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Pisces, Leo. Okay, so that is all from my side, Cancerians. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.